Hello guys, it's me Karthik. Hope you guys are doing really good. So in this video we are going to talk about count example with the help of JDBC client. We are building this JDBC client playlist guys. Okay, so I hope you guys have watched a few of my videos on the same playlist where we have implemented custom mapper, update example with the JDBC client, delete example, select example, insert example we have seen. Okay, now let's go to the count example. Okay, so now you could see here I have a table called bookmarks table. In bookmarks table I have that data here. Okay, so for the given title of pen I have three records. If I execute this I will get three records, right? How can I get this? How can I implement this count with the help of JDBC client? We are going to see now. Okay, so I am here in the bookmark service and you don't need to worry about the code guys. I am going to upload this in Git and share you the link. Okay, so let me take a public variable called public int. Let me take a long type because I'm not sure how many records you will get in real time. Okay, only for this example we got three, but in real time it could be long, bigger number, right? That's why I have taken the long here. Okay, now count record we have, and here we are searching based on the title, right? So that is of string type, so let me take that. Now let's build that example, which is nothing but string sql is equal to select count star from table name is bookmarks, is a table name where title is equal to title. Okay, this is my title, and JDBC client dot SQL, that is a SQL we have developed, and we have one parameters to send here, right? So let me add that param here, key value pair. So key is my title, not nothing but this is my title. Okay, this field will be replaced by the field in parameters. This is a field. Okay, that is again a title. Now here this is important, here we have query because this is a nothing but a this is nothing but what, this is nothing but our select, right? So query, we need to tell to which class we need to typecast this. Okay, this is nothing but our long dot class. Okay, once we have done that, what we need to do is let's use this single. That means it will return that how many records are there on that. So let me use a return statement here. Now let's go to the bookmark controller and add a get call here. So I have a get call already. Let me try to use that, like get bookmarker count bookmark and count to bookmark based on the title, and we have the long, right? So let me use that long here, and in our service what we have is count to record based on the title. Okay, I hope you guys have understood until here, right? If you not, let me know in a comment section so that I can help you more on this. And also if you are not subscribed to my channel, I will strongly recommend you guys to consider subscribing. Okay, now here if I have to explain one more time, you could see here I have built the SQL, which is very important thing. Then I have set my parameters properly. Then I have typecast my result type to that particular type long, and with the help of single I'm going to get how many records getting impacted. Okay, now if you see here, count bookmark is my endpoint, right? Count bookmark based on the title. Okay, this is my endpoint of get type. If I click on get, now you could see three records were there with a given condition. If I click on pen 1, 0 records will be there because there were no records with that particular title, right? Yep. So that's all I would like to show as part of this tutorial, guys.